Hello, Beshi Mutay. Happy birthday, stay healthy and safe. Meron kang mabuti. More blessings to come. Again, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Beshi Motea. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Beshi Motea.
Happy birthday, Beshi Motea. Anak, happy birthday. Wish sa'yo ni teacher. Sana ipagpatuloy mo yung pagiging mabait, masunurin at matalinong bata. Ipagpatuloy mo lang.
Happy birthday, Althea. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sana maging friends tayo ng matagal. Yun lang. Love you. Bye-bye. Hello, Beshi Motea. Happy 9th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo more vlogs and more birthdays. Mwah. Happy birthday, Thea. Hi, Althea. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lahat ng gusto mo patupad ni Lord. At sana madaming birthday pa mabigay sa'yo ni Lord. Happy 9th birthday, Beshi Motea. I love you. Happy birthday, Althea! Happy birthday, Beshi Motea! 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 Happy Thea! Yay! I love you. Mama, thank you. Happy birthday, Beshi Motea. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Enjoy and God bless.
Very good.
Happy birthday, Thea. Wish ko sa'yo na maging mabait kang bata. Mabuti mo yung pag-aaral. At paglaki mo, tulungan mo yung mama at papa. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Beshi Motea. Stay pretty. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Hi, Thea. Happy birthday. Mag-aral kang mabuti para matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo paglaki mo. At sana wag kang magkakasakit. Stay pretty at mabait na bata. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Beshi Motea. More birthday, more follower. Ingat ka palagi. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Ate Thea. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. And magpakaputi ka sa pag-aaral mo and continue your bagay. And I wish you enjoy your birthday. Bye! Happy birthday, Beshi Motea!
Hi, Thea. Happy birthday. Mahal ka ng pamilya, Claro. Ingat ka palagi. God bless always. At ma-achieve mo sana lahat ng goals mo. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Beshi Motea.
Yeah.
Ingat palagi. God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, Beshi Motea! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Beshi. Mag-aral ka mabuti at more vlogs to come.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, Beshi Motea. Happy birthday. Stay pretty. God bless you always.
Hi, Thea. Happy birthday. Lagi kang magpapakabait dyan. Stay humble. Tsaka lagi mo susundin sila mama at papa mo. Wish you all the best. Lagi kayo mag-iingat. At sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy 9th birthday, Althea Venice. Beshi Motea, proud na proud si Ninang sa'yo. And congratulations sa lahat ng mga na-achieve mo. And continue to be a blessing sa mga followers and subscribers mo. God bless and I love you.
Happy birthday, Thea. Wish ko sa'yo, inaanak ko, lumaki kang mabuti, tapusin mo pag-aaral mo. Patuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. Kung saan ka masaya, patuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Birthday, Thea. God bless.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Ganon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday
Yun, happy birthday sa aking inaanak na si Thea. Pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo, inaanak. At sana'y maging mabuti ka hanggang sa paglaki mo. Yun, alam ko namang mabait ka at alam ko namang mahal na mahal mo yung kapatid mo at yung mga magulang mo. Andito lang kami palagi para supportahan ka. Salamat, ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Thea. Mag-aral kang mabuti at sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. More vlogs to come. I love you, anak.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya.
Happy birthday, Besyo Moteya. More vlogs to come. Mag-aral ka mabuti.
Happy birthday, Beshi.
Happy birthday, Besyo Moteya. Mag-aral ka mabuti. God bless.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. Mag-aral ka mabuti. More vlogs to come.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. Apo, mag-aaral ka mabuti at lagi mo tatandaan, huwag makulit at sumunod ka sa mga magulang mo. More birthday to come and God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. More vlogs to come. God bless you. Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. Mag-aral ka mabuti. God bless. Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. God bless you.
Hi, Beshi Moteya. Happy birthday. Good health at saka mag-aral ka mabuti.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. More birthday and more blessing. Aral ka mabuti. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. At sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. At sana pakabait yung bata, good health. And then, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya!
Mula po sa team closing ng RCS San Miguel. Happy birthday nga po pala kay Beshi Moteya. Happy birthday. Geng geng.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. Mag-aral ka mabuti.
Happy birthday, Beshi Moteya. Ingat lagi, God bless.
Mag-aaral ka mabuti.
Birthday, Beshi Moteya. Mag-aral ka mabuti. God bless. Birthday, Beshi Moteya. Mag-aral ka mabuti. God bless.